Well, let's say, for example, that you have a spreadsheet like this. And this is a really typical, simple example I pulled off the web of data that you might be working with at your job. And if you have to sort this data, you do this all the time, right? You want to see it chronological. I'm going to select it. I'm going to leave the header out because I don't want to sort that. I'll select this range. And I'll go to the menu. I'll do sort that range by column A. And what I'm expecting is column A will be sorted chronologically. So January 6th should come first. May 5th should come last. And if I do this sort, it didn't work the way I expected. So you look at the end and the January 23rd should be the second in line. The way to figure this out beforehand is to use the date value function. I'll show you what I mean. We put it in here to check all of these before we sort it. So we'll just do date value on the first cell, which is A4. Then I'm going to go into that cell again. I'm going to drag it down to the bottom, which just puts that formula in every cell and adjusts the range. So this one's looking at A5, A6. Every time this function returns a number, you know the date's valid because Sheets can figure it out and it gives you the serial number that represents the date. If it returns an error, you know there's something wrong with the date. So each one that gives you an error, you can go in and look at it and see what's wrong with it, fix it, and it'll sort right. You may think you can just do this visually, but it could be a lot easier with the date value function because you could do something like data conditional formatting, and let's apply it to the range of column B. Let's just make up something here. Let's just do, hey, if it's between 0 and 100,000, format it as green. We'll leave it the default and say done. Now if we move out of here and we'll go back and break one of these dates again, and this is going to pop up really easily. This is a way for you to check beforehand to make sure the dates are good. You could even use this as a validation to kick out values. Play around with it. Hope it's helpful to you.